Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use a voice thread. Hopefully we'll be able to use lots of these during the program, so you need to learn some of the basics. So for this voice thread, you're going to open up our Moodle page and go to the voice thread, which is here. So this little puzzle piece is one of the icons for Voicethread. So what we do, we just click it, open it up, and then it's going to redirect you to an outside application. Here's the Voicethread title, so go ahead and click on the title, and you can open in a new window if you like so that it's bigger. Okay, and then first you watch the voice.
Hi everyone. So I'm giving you a little bit of information about myself in the video.
Okay, so this is a short self-introduction about myself. You can see that it's only 1 minute and 50 seconds long. So you'll watch the introduction. When I make voice threads in the future, I may ask you questions in the voice thread. So it's really important that you watch the voice thread. Okay, and then after you watch the voice thread, you'll be able to leave your answer or your comment. And the way we do this is we scroll to the center bottom of the picture, and you'll see a plus sign just like this. So it goes away when you're not scrolling over it, but if you scroll over it, it'll pop up. And then click it, and you get lots of different options for leaving a message. So we don't want to use some of these. For example, we don't want to use a telephone because there's no way to call me on the computer. And we don't want to upload anything outside of this source. So the only three options that we will be using is ABC, which means type your answer, audio, the speaker, which means to leave just a voice answer, and then video, which is a video answer. And that's actually the one that I prefer because then I get to see your face and hear your voice. Okay, so you decide which one you want to leave, preferably video. If not video, then audio is fine. If for some reason your internet is way too slow and the video or the audio doesn't work, then it's okay to use a typed answer. But that really is the last resort. So you click on it. For example, a video, after you watch my video, and it tells you to drag the ball, the scrubber, this is a scrubber, to the point of the video when you want to insert your comment. So I would like for all of you to insert your comment at the very end. So drag the ball to the very end, and this is where you'll begin your comment. Then it'll give you a countdown. And this is where you start your own video. So you can see that it starts recording immediately. It's picking up the audio and the video, and then you stop recording when you're done. Okay, you'll see that it's uploading, and after it uploads, you can save your message. It takes it a minute to upload.
And this is where.
And then we save it. And voila, your comment will now appear under my original comment. And so if you listen to the video, you'll be able to hear your comment. So we'll start at the end of my video, and it should go into your
Teaching experience, your island, your location, your family, or your hobbies, anything that you would like for us to know. So please leave an audio or a video recording. Thank you.
Okay, and then it automatically should go into your comment.
Hi everyone. So I've given you a little bit of information about myself in the video.
That's not it.
And this is where you start your own video. So you can see that it starts recording immediately. It's picking. Okay, so because I'm making another type of video here in the corner on Screencast-O-Matic, it didn't pick up the video of me, but it will if you choose the video option. Again, scroll over if you want to use audio. Again, scroll to the very end and you can leave an audio message. So again, it counts down and you can begin talking. So hello, my name is, it's very nice to meet you. And when you're done, stop recording. And then after it uploads, you can save it. And now your comment should appear here on the side. So I can listen to my comment. And you can begin talking. So hello, my name is, it's very nice to meet you. And when you're done. Okay, so you only see my comments right now because you guys haven't left comments, but when everyone starts leaving their comments, they will appear here on the side. And then after everyone leaves their comments, they will immediately start playing at the end of my video in order, and then you can listen and you can also leave comments to other people. So for example, if I want to leave a comment to this person, this is me, but assume that it's someone else, then I hit the reply button here where it says insert a, this is for comments. So now I can leave a message to this person. So I can say, hello, so-and-so, it's so nice to meet you. Welcome to our course. And save that. So now you'll have a comment to other people in the class as well. Anyway, it takes some time to get to know Voicethread, so play around with it, but just remember the comment button is here in the middle of the picture when you hover over it. Okay, everyone, good luck, and I look forward to seeing your first voice threads.